Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros. And for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys on how to uninstall or remove font link from your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So basically, font link is an application or program that is used to sync up your Windows computer to your mobile phone. However, if you don't want to use the phone app, and then I'll show you how to remove it. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on the search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung settings. And then click mo lang dito yung open. And dito lang sa left side menu and select mo lang dito yung apps. At dito sa right side, makikita mo dito yung installed apps. So click mo lang yan. And dito lang sa search app, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung phone link. And automatic na mag-a-appear kagad dito yung phone link, Microsoft Corporations. Okay, so ang next step, so dito lang sa right side, makikita mo dito yung tatlong dot. So i-click mo lang yan. And then, since makikita mo dito na grayed out po yung move and uninstall, so ibig sabihin kaya grayed out siya dahil built-in features ito ng Windows. Pero pwede natin itong i-deactivate or i-terminate, right? So dito lang sa advanced options, i-click mo lang yan. And next step, so scroll down. At dito lang sa runs at login, so click mo lang or i-turn off mo lang tong kanyang button. So turn off natin yan. And next step, dito naman sa kanyang terminate. So immediately terminate this app and its related processes. I-click mo lang dito yung terminate, alright? So, after dito sa settings and other solution na pwede natin gawin, so, all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung PowerShell. And next step, so kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And dito lang sa administrator, Windows PowerShell, so kailangan lang natin i-enter tong command keyword na Get-AppxPackage Microsoft.YourPhone AllUsers /remove-appxpackage. So copy lang natin yan na command at ilalagay ko to sa description box. And next step, so dito lang sa task, kailangan mo lang mag-right click. Select mo lang dito yung edit and then click mo lang dito yung paste or pwede mong gamitin yung keyboard shortcut na Ctrl+B. And then click mo lang yan and then press mo lang yung enter. So wait natin na ma-complete yung initializing, so deployment operations progress. Alright, so makikita mo na dito na nag-okay na po siya and then next step, so close lang natin itong PowerShell at dito lang sa start menu and kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to remove or uninstall font link in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.